The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as the coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease of 2019 caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. The outbreak was identified in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on January 30, 2020, and a pandemic on March 11, 2020. As of May 17, 2020, more than 4.66 million cases of COVID-19 have been reported in more than 188 countries and territories, resulting in more than 312,000 deaths. More than 1.7 million people have recovered. The virus is primarily spread between people during close contact, often via small droplets produced by coughing, sneezing, and talking. The droplets usually fall to the ground or onto surfaces rather than remaining in the air over long distances. People may also become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching their face. On surfaces, the amount of virus declines over time until it is insufficient to remain infectious, but it may be detected for hours or days. It is most contagious during the first 3 days after the onset of symptoms, although spread may be possible before symptoms appear and in later stages of the disease. Common symptoms include fever, cough, fatigue, shortness of breath, and loss of smell. Complications may include pneumonia and acute respiratory distress syndrome. The time from exposure to onset of symptoms is typically around 5 days, but may range from 2 to 14 days. There is no known vaccine or specific antiviral treatment. Scientists are still working on it. But primary treatment is symptomatic and supportive therapy. Recommended preventive measures include hand washing, covering one's mouth when coughing, maintaining distance from other people, wearing a face mask in public settings, and monitoring and self-isolation for people who suspect they are infected. Authorities worldwide have responded by implementing travel restrictions, lockdowns, workplace hazard controls, and facility closures. Many places have also worked to increase testing capacity and trace contacts of infected persons. Doctors, police and other frontline workers across the world are working extremely hard to fight against this pandemic. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon and be the first one to see our new amazing videos. Thank you!